Today we're doing tri-tip, but this one's kind of going to be a little bit differently. What we're going to do today, we're going to recreate a recipe we see on YouTube. Haven't seen it yet, check out Google Foods. He's got an awesome channel, got some awesome recipes. But this is his barbecue tri-tip recipe where he done it on the smoker. So I'm gonna recreate this here. Now, I don't have a Wagyu tri-tip that we're doing this. This is a choice we got from Walmart. So I'm gonna take this choice tri-tip and see if I can recreate it to the standards that Google Food had. So therefore, this is what we're doing. It's Google, you're watching, hope you like it. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. First things first right here, I took the fat cap off the back side of it. Anytime you're doing tri-tip, the fat cap on the back side of it, it's really hard. It's not gonna help you cook, or it's not my experience and he didn't have on his, that's what we do it. So now I'm gonna salt brine this. What I'm gonna do right here with some kosher salt, come across top of it, and I'm just gonna coat it pretty good in some kosher salt. So, as you can see right here, we got it, the salt brine's all into it, really good coat onto it. We'll put it in the refrigerator and let it rest 24 hours. Come back up here tomorrow, we'll barbecue this bad boy up. So stick around, see you tomorrow. So as you've seen right here, we done a salt brine yesterday. Here, everywhere that the salt touched the meat, it penetrated down to the meat. Where it's on the fat right here, in a few little spots right here, you can still see the granules of that salt, but the salt didn't penetrate that fat. It's something good to keep in mind here. Salt won't penetrate fat, but it will penetrate the meat itself. So that being said, we're gonna season it up now to get it put on the grill. So the seasoning we're using today is SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. So let's start seasoning this bad boy up. So now I'm gonna cook this here to an internal temperature of 130 degrees. It'll be about 130, 135 here, but I wanna make sure I don't go over 135. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it into my meat probe. What I'm using today is a meat stick. This is the Mini X version. I've tested these things, been really impressed with it, but I'll give some information on this down below. We would like to thank today's sponsor, and that's Lewis Home Services. If you're interested in coming to the Myrtle Beach, Grand Strand area, and you're looking for someone to take care of all your vacation needs, check out Lewis Home Services. Contact information down below, and they're looking forward to hearing from you. So as y'all can see in here, the little meat stick is telling this time to come off. So it says 130 degrees. Let's pull them off. So you can see here, I've got my tri-tip out. You see the top, it doesn't have necessarily the great color we're looking for. It doesn't have that little char taste to it. So what we're gonna use? Blowtorch. This is gonna be fun. So again, we were following Google's recipe, and this is kind of a system that he done, so that's what we're gonna go with. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take this propane torch I've got right here. I'm gonna start using it to kind of sear the outside, give me that little char taste to it. Be careful with this, you don't want to over scorch the meat. We're just gonna come right here and just keep an eye on it. Keep going even across it. So all we're doing is just kind of trying to get that little char. You can see it start burning some excess seasoning and stuff of it off. So you can see the color, how it darkened up, got a little more crispy on it. So we're gonna take this here, let it rest a few more minutes, slice this bad boy up, see what it tastes like. So stick around, be right back. Pretty cool, you put a blowtorch. Yeah, that's so much fun. So let's talk about this right here, tri-tip. Hey, it looks good, don't it? Man, that thing looks good. We tried that technique that Google Food had. I'm really curious, really excited to slice in this thing, see what it tastes like. We followed Google's recipe to the best of our abilities, said we use a pellet smoker, and we didn't have a Wagyu, so we're gonna taste it up. I'm really excited about this. I'm really looking forward to this. So I'm gonna come right here on it. I'm gonna start slicing down. But you can see the smoke ring on the outside. See where that salt's penetrated at? See how it gets down into it? Now he had a Wagyu. Like I said, this here's a choice. So I'm really curious to see how this tastes right here on the choice. Let's taste this up and see what it tastes like. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm really excited. Oh my Lord. That is good. Guga, thank you. That's good. That is absolutely insane good. It's a simple recipe, technique. The torch on the outside gives really good char taste. So I taste that little bit of char in there. That's a good tri-tip. Again, Guga, thank you for the recipe. We tried it. We tried this here on a choice. Like I said, I think it's good. It's pretty tender actually. I mean, it's good. It's got a little bit of chew to it, but again, it's a choice. It's not a Wagyu. It's not a prime. But flavor is unreal. You can just see the juices pouring out of this right now. So thank you for watching our videos. We greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. That being stated, we're getting ready to say the blessing, go inside and eat some lunch. But first, gotta let Dolly try it. Dolly, are you ready? All right, girl, I'm gonna give you a big piece right here. You ready? Come here. Come on. So Dolly liked it. I reckon Dolly like it. You will too. So now let's say the blessing. Let's go eat some lunch. Lord, bless food by its seed. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. This is good. That is unreal. Guga Foods, thank you. Guga, thank you for sharing the recipe. Just a few little flakes, but there was not a lot of fat on this brisket here. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna take this probe right here. I'm going through the tickets. Here, this is the SPG seasoning. I have